Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallet name on the Blue Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blue Wallet application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you can tap on the plus icon or the add wallet option in order to log in using your security phrase. Once you are logged into your wallet, if you wish to change your wallet name, go ahead and tap on this wallet account. From here, you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and this will now take you into your wallet page. Now, within the name section, just tap on your current wallet name and then type in whichever name you wish to use for your wallet. Then tap on the done button, and now your wallet name will be changed. You can go back to your wallet and you will notice that your changes have been applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your wallet name on the Blue Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.